ating emergency meeting sa DLMC dahil sa epekto ng Lancarina at saan ang mga critical areas at nag-report na ang DLMC, ang OCD, ang DILG, DSWD, Pag-asa, of course, para malaman natin kung ano yung areas na hindi pa natin napupuntahan. So, kaunti lang naman ang instruction na binigay ko sa grupo dahil maganda naman ang response natin so far. Sinabihan ko na lang sila mag-focus ng mabuti doon sa mga areas na sa hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa natin may pasok. So, yun ang magiging next na priority na gagawin ng DSWD, pati na siyempre public works because kung yung mga daan na landslide, kailangan pagtulungan sila ng LG para i-clear yung daan. The only other main issue was the suggestion that the entire Metro Manila will be put under a state of calamity. And this is because talaga hindi maganda ang flooding nangyari dito sa Metro Manila. Especially in the traditional low-lying areas like Nacotas, like in Malabon. These are all these places that mababa talaga sa dagat yan, kaya lagi nababaha. Nasira pa yung flood control natin dahil binangga ng barko. Kaya halos lahat ng bayan ay nasa sa tubig. So led by our DLG secretary, together with the Mayor Zamora, who is siyang namumuno ng Metro Manila Mayor, sila magpupuntin sila mamaya after this para makapag-decide kung talagang kailangan mag-state of calamity ang buong NCR.
Sir, hindi kayo magde-declare ng state of calamity? Hindi na po kayo?
No. We don't, actually, usually, ang state of calamity is the LGU executive. Pag regional, it's because sabay-sabay. Magiging calamity sa, pagka 3 regions ang involved, then already the national has to come in. That's a national calamity already. Wala naman yung choice to pasok ng national. But it's up to the local communities to decide because they know best. They know best what they need. It is also yung pag-deklara ng state of calamity, it's also to access funds. Para makapag-access sila ng funds. Kasi nauubos na yung kanilang emergency na reserve. Kukuha sila sa national. So that's what we're working on.
Sir, hindi po ba kailangan dahil Calabarzon, Region 3, and Metro Manila, NCR na tatlo na po yun?
Well, kaya nga, nasa sa kanila yan. It is up to them. That is very much a local prerogative.
Sir, how about the flood control project? Kumusta po yung situation?
I don't think we can really talk about that now. What we need to talk about is how to bring help to the people who are in trouble.